Like the sign says in the background, we have some big announcements today for the channel, so sit back, watch the new intro, and I'll tell you all about them. Hey everybody, Big Jano here, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing great. So like I said, I have a few big announcements for the channel, which is why I wanted to make this video today to announce these things, and I'm super excited to be sharing everything with you right now. So our first announcement, if you haven't figured it out yet, we finally have our very first merch line dropping today. I've been working very hard the last few weeks to get some merch designs up and ready to go for our very first ever merch store. Through our friends at Fourth Wall, we are launching a Big Jano merchandise store with a few different Big Jano items that support and celebrate the Big Jano community. We got a few samples of the merch here right now, including the hoodie I'm currently wearing. This is the hoodie option that's available on the store with the Big Jano logo, as well as the Keep Doing It Big tagline. It's a really nice hoodie, really nice quality, it feels really good. We also have a couple different t-shirts. We have a t-shirt option of this as well. We also have this fun t-shirt, which if I can get it up here, the exclamation point Yeet t-shirt, which if you're a part of the Twitch community streams, you know what that means. We also have here a nice Big Jano coffee mug here. This is a nice dual color fading. It has a nice Big Jano logo on it, and the 3D printing DIY projects and awesomeness tagline underneath. Some other items on the store that are really cool include this Big Jano desk mat. It's a really nice sized desk mat. It has the color transition as well as the logo in the top left corner. It's a really nice quality desk mat, and if you have a large desk, this would be perfect for it. You can check out all of the merchandise available today through our merchandise store. I will put a link to that in the description, and I will attach the store to our future YouTube videos down the road. While it's never required, it's always appreciative if you guys decide to buy anything. All the proceeds of the shop come back directly and support me and help offset costs for trips, help upgrade equipment, and it goes right back into the content for you. So thank you in advance, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. All right, time for our second announcement. So believe it or not, we've been doing content now for almost 4 years. We're coming up on the 4-year anniversary that we started this YouTube channel and started making content here on YouTube as well as on Twitch. And because of that, I want to celebrate with all of you. The 4-year anniversary stream is going to take place Saturday, September 14th. An exact time hasn't been announced yet, but one will be announced closer to the event date, and will most likely start sometime in the afternoon. We're going to have some fun together. We're going to celebrate all we've accomplished in the last 4 years. There's definitely going to be some 3D printing. There's going to be a lot of chaos ensuing, I bet, as well. But it's all to thank you guys for all you guys have done to support me in the last 4 years and to celebrate everything we have done as a channel. So save the date. Saturday, September 14th is going to be a blast. We're going to have a fun time, and I hope to see you there. I will let you all know more specifics once we get closer to the event date and let you know where exactly we're going to be streaming at. But that's going to be my big announcements for today. Thank you all for tuning in and to celebrate our announcements today. I'm super excited to be launching the merch store, and I'm even more excited to be celebrating with you guys next month in our 4 years of doing content creation. It's been tremendous, and honestly, the time has been flying. We also have some new YouTube content coming up here very, very soon, maybe in the next week or two, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're not following me on my other social media platforms while you wait, there'll be links to all those in the description below as well. Well, that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much, everybody. I greatly appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Until next time, keep doing it big.